welcome to the Ryk and Dad channel. Today we've got Quoridor. We invite you to join us. You know, if you're up to it, get the game and play at home yourself. Okay, to start the game, we've got to get one pawn, which you want to use. There's 4 different colours. There's 4 pawns. I've chosen the white. With 2 players, we get 10 fences each.
You need 10 fences, and I like setting my fences up like in here, so I can just put them down like this.
What's the objective of the game?
To get to the other side.
Right, so you need to get your piece to my side. I can get my piece to your side, and then we've got the fences to block each other.
The smartest thing to do is once you get near the middle, like in the middle, that's when you should start placing the fences.
I agree. You can either move your pawn, or you can put a fence down.
You can go backwards, forwards, and left and right.
So you can go forwards, backwards, side, side, as you mentioned, Ryk. There are some special moves as well. Let's pretend there's a fence here, and my pawn is in front of Ryk's pawn. There's another piece in front of yours. You can go diagonal. If it's Ryk's turn, he could jump over me because I'm in front of him. But if there's a wall behind me, you can't jump over, you can only go diagonal. And that is the special move. Would you like to start?
No, you can start.
I can start. Okay. Let's go.
I wish I could go diagonal right now. And if I went there, you would block it off, then I have to go all the way over here. So I'm gonna move this way. I'm not blocking you.
That's not very nice. I'm gonna go all the way backwards now.
I am gonna do this so you can't block me if I walk over there.
It's a bit rude because I was planning to block you.
And you.
Now I can only go one spot. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, make me walk backwards. I think you can walk backwards too. Smart move. Because I would have made you walk all the way back around, so that's a smart move. Let me see.
So far I'm winning because I'm closer, but...
Well, just make sure you don't use all your pieces up too early, because then you'll have nothing to use against me later.
I know. I'm going to do that because I'm going to walk over here and I knew you were going to block me.
That doesn't slow me down, right? That just helps me.
Yeah, that's making it.
I'm making you go all the way around now, if I can. to be done. You made my life very difficult. I have to run for my life now. No! No! Do I have enough time? So it's going to be a race. It's going to be close.
I'm going to win.
Well, you possibly could win. It's going to be very close.
No.
Who's going to get there first?
Me.
Am I going to win?
No.
It's very close.
I win.
Oh. Well done. Thanks for kicking my butt and showing everyone how to play Quoridor. We look forward to doing a game very similar to this for our next video. It's going to be a bit of a surprise. Thank you for joining us for Quoridor today. We hope you get the game, enjoy the game and have some fun. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!